Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about this white patch cover up, and we are going to do this particular patch, half of this patch to be covered up with the exact skin color. As you can see, the process has been started now. We are trying to match with the exact skin tone of her color and we are bringing it up. The process has been fast forwarded now. We are matching and bringing the exact skin tone as it is without bringing any of the other color tones to be coming up. As you can see, it's matching with the exact skin tone, and there'll be small little reddishness will be there. That's because of that treatment is happening, but it's completely normal. It's all will become settled down. So the reddishness also will start to become settled down. This process is keep happening and we are trying to match with the exact skin tone. Almost half of the process is going to be get over. In this, we are matching with the skin tone and we are bringing it up as much as smooth as possible so that skin will not get damaged much. Most of the time people thinks because of this there will be a chances of spreading or any other chances of infections will be there, but it is not. It's completely a safe procedure to be proceed. There are no chances of spreading or there are no chances of infections because of this treatment. It's completely safe to be go ahead. As you can see, this video, we are matching it up with the exact skin tone and we are bringing the exact color to that particular place. And after 30 days of the duration, we can get to know whether the output have came or not. By getting that result, we can get to know. We can proceed with the remaining phases or to be get stopped. So we request our clients to be go ahead with the patch test first. Once the patch test got succeeded, we'll ask them to go ahead and proceed with the remaining phases also. So now the patch test is almost going to be get over. As you can see, it's matching with the exact skin tone and the output is coming so perfect. So it's matching it up almost equal tone. So if you guys have any more doubts, please do contact us, and if you want to book an appointment, the above number in the screen, please do contact us in that number. Our relationship manager will help you out to book a slot and you can proceed further. And we are making this video on a daily basis and we'll be bringing much more awareness regarding this vitiligo. Many of the people still does not know about this vitiligo treatment. This is the most medical free one. So if you guys want to know more about it, and please share it to your friends and create the awareness and help the people to be get treated and get more confident in their life. So we are almost at the end of the process. Stay tuned for the final result. I have finished the half of it as a patch test. As you can see, you can't even find any difference of her skin tone and then the normal tone. It's almost completely matched it. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.